are the subtraction strategies that we are going to practice for today. Ready? The first one is draw a picture. With subtraction, we always start with the big whole number. The big whole number for this one is 60. So what we're going to do is draw not 60 circles because that would take too long. We're going to draw 6 tens, which is a line. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Here we have 60. Now we have to take away 30 minus 30. That means what we're going to do is cross out 3 groups of 10. 10, 20, 30. What we have left over is our answer. So 3 tens, our answer is not 3, but 30, because we have 3 groups of 10. Strategy number 2 is using the hundreds chart. If you have a hundreds chart on you, what you can do is start at the big number, at the big whole number. So we're going to start at 60, and we're going to take 3 jumps backwards. That's because each jump is a group of 10, remember? So 30 is 3 groups of 10. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3. The number we land on is our answer. So our answer here is 30. If you don't like thinking about 3 groups of 10, you can do it like this. 60 minus 10, 20, 30. The number we land on is our answer. So 60 minus 30 equals 30. Now mental math is when I know if I have zeros in the ones place, I don't have to worry about the ones place. All I can do is do my tens place. 6 minus 3 is much easier to think about than 60 minus 30. What's 6 minus 3? Well, 6 minus 3 equals 3. I can use a few different strategies to figure that out. 6 in my head and count back 3, 5, 4, 3. I might know that 3 plus 3 is a doubles fact. So if 3 plus 3 equals 6, 6 minus 3 equals 3. Now my answer is not 3. The answer to 60 minus 30 equals 30, because we cannot forget about those 0 ones. Even though we don't have to do 0 minus 0, we need to put them back in. Okay, we have our ones place, 0 minus 0, and our tens place. Our next strategy is fact families. Look over here. Our fact family has 3 numbers, and they don't let anybody in, and they don't let anybody out. So 60 is my big whole number. 30 is one of our parts, and we're missing the other part. Now, if I know that 30 plus what equals 60, I can figure out what 60 minus 30 equals. Well, I know that 30 plus 30 equals 60, which means 60 minus 30 must equal that missing number, which is 30. You can use fact families if you know what it is in addition. You can use the subtraction, you can use the addition to help you figure out the subtraction problem. All right, guys, here is our stacking strategy. Stacking, we have a tens place and a ones place. Tens place, ones place. Our tens go with our tens, and our ones go with our ones, right? 60, so 6 tens, 0 ones, minus 30, 3 tens, 0 ones. First, I go to my ones place. 0 minus 0 equals 0. Then I have to hop on over to my tens place. 6 minus 3, use any strategy that works for you to figure out. 6 minus 3 equals 3. Now remember, my answer isn't 3, 0. The answer is the number together, which is 30. Our last strategy is the number line. The number line is kind of like the hundreds chart. We make jumps backwards of 10. Pay attention. Ready? I'm going to start at my whole number, which is 60, and I'm going to make jumps backwards of 10. Ready? 10, 20, 30. The number you land on is your answer. Watch again. For subtraction, we go backwards. We start at the big whole number, and we make jumps of 10. 10, 20, 30. The number we land on is our answer. So 60 minus 30 equals 30.